Welcome to our MSI Motherboard Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two powerful motherboards, the MSI B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi and the MSI Z790 Max Wi-Fi. Both motherboards are designed for high-performance computing, but they cater to different platforms. Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. The MSI B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is designed to support AMD Ryzen 7000 and 8000 series processors, making it a great choice for gamers and enthusiasts looking to harness the power of AMD's latest technology. On the other hand, the MSI Z790 Max Wi-Fi is tailored for Intel's 12th, 13th, and 14th gen processors, offering compatibility with the latest Intel chips. This difference in CPU support is crucial for users when choosing the right motherboard for their build. When it comes to expansion slots, the MSI B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi features PCIe 4.0, which provides ample bandwidth for most gaming and productivity needs. However, the MSI Z790 Max Wi-Fi takes it a step further with PCIe 5.0 support, allowing for even faster data transfer rates and future-proofing your build for the latest GPUs and storage devices. This difference in PCIe technology can significantly impact performance for high-end users. In terms of wireless connectivity, the MSI B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is equipped with Wi-Fi 6E, offering fast and reliable wireless performance for gaming and streaming. In contrast, the MSI Z790 Max Wi-Fi boasts the latest Wi-Fi 7 technology, which promises even higher speeds and lower latency. For users who prioritize wireless performance, this could be a deciding factor in their motherboard choice. In conclusion, both the MSI B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi and the MSI Z790 Max Wi-Fi offer impressive features tailored to different user needs. The B650 is a solid choice for AMD users, while the Z790 excels with Intel processors. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.